So for our bell work, we're finding the measure of our interior angles. So what's our two formulas that we've been using?
180
parentheses n minus 2.
Yes, and then our other one?
180 n
minus
minus
360.
360.
Good. So either one of these two are going to help us, so whichever one you feel more comfortable with. So for these, I'm just going to do the top one. So we're going to have 180 times 13, because 12 minus, or 15 minus 2 is going to give us 13. And then for B, 18 minus 2 is going to give us 16 there. So all you have to do is just plug that into our calculator. So for A, you want to get an answer for this one?
2,340.
40, good. And then for B,
2,880.
good. So for 18, they just wanted the sum of our interior angles. I'm going to skip 19. I'm going to go to 20 because 20 is asking with these same two polygons, but it wants each interior angle. So what do we have to do from 18 to get each interior angle in 12?
Divide by n.
So to divide by n, so the number of sides. So we kind of talked about this yesterday with our chart, that once we get our total of our interior angles, we just have to divide by our number of sides. So this one, we would divide by 18. So for A, what's going to be our final answer in A?
156.
You get 156 degrees, good. And then what about B? 160. Alright. So let's go back to 19. So 19, this time they give us an expression. They tell us that this expression represents the measure of an interior angle of a regular 20-agon, and it wants to know what the value of A is. So if we're trying to get the interior angle of a 20-agon, a regular 20-agon, what's the first thing we're going to do?
I'm gonna use those
formula.
equations.
Mhm.
One of them.
So we can plug it into our formula that we learned yesterday. But if we take our equation, we'll take the second one this time. Plug in our 20, subtract from 360. So this up top is going to give us our total with our interior angle. What are we going to have to divide it by to get each interior angle?
20.
20, the number of sides, good. So when we divide that, what do we get?
162.
We get 162. So we get 162 degrees for each interior angle, then the last thing we have to do is just our expression, set it equal to it. So A is going to be what?
166.
166. We just add the 4 over and get it there. Good. Alright. 21, kind of a trick question, but it's asking for the sum of our exterior angles for each polygon. So when we're talking about the sum of exterior angles, what's it always going to be?
360.
360 degrees. No matter what our shape looks like, it's going to be 360 degrees. I forgot how far I went up in this class, but I went to 100 on that little thing I showed y'all yesterday, and it was still 360 degrees. So same thing applying here. And the last one in 22. So it gives us our expression. This time it's talking about the measure of each exterior angle of a regular 18-agon. So again, anytime we talk about exterior angles, what number should come into our head?
360.
360. So what are we going to do to get each exterior angle?
We're gonna start
Divide by the side.
off the-
We're going to have to divide it by 18. So I think we had a problem like this yesterday. We're going to have to divide it by 18 to get each one, because it's a regular one, so they're all going to be the same.
20.
So that's going to end up being 20 degrees,
It's gonna be 17.
and then we have to put it into our expression. So we're going to get n plus 3 equals 20. So that means n here is going to be 17. So any questions on this? Yep. So today we're going to